You are braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. It is always seem impossible until it is done. The positive thinker sees the invisible, feels the intangible, and achieves the impossible. All you can change is yourself, but sometimes that changes everything. The struggle you are in today is developing the struggle you need tomorrow. A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart. Change your thoughts and you can change your world. Even if you are stumble, you are still moving forward. Keep my world positive. Words become my behaviors. Keep my behaviors positive. Behaviors become my habits. Keep my habits positive. Habits become my values. Keep my values positive. Values become my destiny. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you shall start having positive thoughts. Optimism is a happiness magnet. If you stay positive, good things and good people will be drawn to you. You can think your way to failure and unhappiness, but you can also think your way to success and happiness. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. I really believe in the power of positive thinking and collective power of people's thought, spawning something into becoming reality. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. Stay positive and strong, even when it feels like everything in your life is falling apart. Your efforts will soon be rewarded. Think positive, be positive, and positive things will happen. Discipline your mind to think positively. Discipline your mind to see the good in every situation and looking the best side of every intent. Live life to the fullest and focus on the positive. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. Look for something positive in every day, even if some days you have to look a little harder. If you have a positive attitude and constantly strive to give your best effort, eventually you will overcome your immediate problems and find you are ready for greater challenges. Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. One small positive thought can change your whole day. A positive attitude gives you power over your circumstances instead of your circumstances having power over you. Change your thoughts and you change your world. Plant seeds of expectation in your mind. Cultivate thoughts that anticipate achievement. Believe in yourself as capable of overcoming all obstacles and weaknesses. Positive thinking is more than just a tagline. It changes the way we behave. And I firmly believe that when I am positive, it not only makes me better, but it also makes those around me better. I have learned that positive thinking and encouragement are essential for leadership and progress. Your positive action combined with positive thinking results in success. Positive thinking is a valuable tool that can help you overcome obstacles, deal with pain, and reach new goals. A positive attitude causes a chain reaction of positive thoughts, events, and outcomes. It is a catalyst and it sparks extraordinary results. All I can control is myself and just keep having a positive attitude. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Therefore, guard accordingly and take care that you entertain no notions unsuitable to virtue and reasonable nature. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. You can't control the world, but when you control your thoughts, you bring order. If you can control your hand movement, you can control your mind too. So, stay away from negative thoughts, you can do it. Never let a bad situation bring out the worst in you. Choose to stay positive and be the strong person that God created you to be. In order to carry a positive action, we must develop here a positive vision.